Required. We don't have. We can always get buy it. So Central Park scene goes, a lot more laid back. Just something like that is fine. Yeah, something laid back. Yeah. Scene from the studio building, and then something like when you come back to visit.
So I think I let her get away with a lot of stuff.
Oh yeah, very free. Tara has a lot of freedom because it's kind of like you and her. It's kind of how I grew up with my mom. She got four of us. I'm the oldest, but it was just like us.
Yeah.
It wasn't my father's mom, it's just us and our mom, and we doing our thing. So it's a lot of days that we did. My mom was just like, yo, that y'all like 70 times just this morning. Y'all got to just whatever, man. Y'all gonna have to learn your own lesson on this one, man. Like I'm done for the day. And that's a lot of times how it is with you and Tara. Like things happen, and it's like it's better for her to just learn this on her own. You know what I'm saying? It's just as simple as that. So the scene, you guys are killing it. Like you guys are doing, because I had in my head how I wanted to shoot the police interrogation scene with not many close-ups, but now I gotta have some close-ups. Like you guys feed really well off each other and normally did, so get some close-ups. So on page 10 and office. So, all right, so yeah, Jason questioned me. You likewise followed me. That's you guys walking inside the building. So you guys, you press the elevator. You guys are waiting. While you're on my list, unfortunately, was get busy. For the most part, this is one here. That's when the elevator opens.
Why do you miss
The auditions go on here. Okay. Then you guys get on, and we'll have the rest of your dialogue in the elevator. Play around in there and here. Alright, so you're on page 12. Shelly and Tara.
Oh, sorry.
Lucky man. Yeah. At least somebody got a girlfriend out here. This guy has a wife. I'm trying to get like you. Y'all seen him?
You know what it is.
Give me a little wife. Go home, cook dinner.
Here is even better.
That's perfect. Action.
Wait.
Cut. What's wrong?
Sorry, I was supposed to stay here, right?
No, but still pull the chair.
I had a thought I'm gonna grab the chair.
Yeah, still grab the chair, but when I yell cut, stay seated in that chair. That's what I'm saying. Okay, so let's do it one more time. Oh, no, you're fine. Yeah, just do it exactly how you're doing it, but just stay in the chair when I yell cut. All right, let's run it back real quick. Come on, hurry up. Let's get it.
That's good. I needed it a little wider anyway.
Okay.
We were cutting off her head. I was like, how am I going to fix that in post? Video rolling.
Okay. Audio rolling.
Hey, hold on. Make sure we got that mic where it needs to be. No, you're good, bro. You got them both.
Oh, wait, mic's still there.
No, it's all right. We'll crop out. Higher on the mic. Right to ceiling. Yep.
We got Ruben. Yeah,
All right.
that's Ruben right there.
All right, Pat.
The superstar.
Do you want to shut that door for audio?
Yeah.
Good idea, Hannah.
Keep audio rolling. Don't cut it.
I'm about to.
Oh, you are.
Scene
This would be 3A.
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 Take
Just say
one.
Joyce close up.
It's 3RW. Okay.
All right, guys. So we'll be starting from about 3 weeks ago. Page 5, Joy's dialogue.
Okay.
Okay. Can you ask me the line right before
Yes,
that?
I can.
Thank you.
Right in front of her face. Yep.
Cool.
I'm rolling. It's whenever he calls action.
Nature,
Oh, sorry.
Nature of Beauty 3A. Close up.
Action.
For now, let's just start with the basics. Mom, when was the last time you saw her?
About 3 weeks ago, she was at home right before I left to go to the office.
What time was that?
I left at 7 p.m. And then she texted me around 9:07 p.m. saying that she was going to a party.
I'm guessing that's where she saw you.
Yes.
Did you have any contact with her after that?
Yes, so I followed up. I sent her a text message at 9:15.
Who was that? Who was that? Was that Derek?
No, I'm glad it wasn't me.
Who was
The
that?
first time I thought I was gonna drop this, my head was so slippery.
Let's roll it
Sorry
again.
about
Hey,
that.
Derek, on the slate, make sure you say Joyce close up.
Joyce, cause I couldn't remember the name.
The
Okay.
metal one.
You got medals? What you got? You got palladium,
What?
silver,
No, I
gold?
just
That's an inside.
Oh, do you work in a metal slave?
Yeah,
I bet that's a joke you tell a lot.
Yeah.
we use that joke so much.
Unoriginal. Come on.
So yeah, he's right. It's right.
Cameo.
Yeah, no, we have to get the cameo. The man's the man.
What's good?
Yeah, no, you have to.
That's for
Please
the
don't get me
outtakes.
with that in the shot.
That's for the outtakes and
I
the
have a
bloopers.
reputation to.
That's awful.
He was like,
No one wants to see that, Derek. The fuck you saying to me? Hold on, I'll slap you right now. The fuck you saying? I got a whole nother year of stress, man.
Yeah. Director, sound guy today.
Director, sound guy, I do it all, man.
Like,
Right, correct. Cover up lights for y'all.
Be tall.
That's just a natural talent. My man, character right
I'm rolling, bro.
Sound rolling?
Action.
Oh wait, no, you can't put the reflector there either.
Oh, still in the shot.
Yeah.
So was that B&H bag?
B&H bags in the shot.
Barely. I mean, I'm here.
It just like peeks up a little bit. Yeah, that should be fine.
Is that where you live?
yeah, just moved.
All right, just call action whenever you're ready.
Action.
Are you like rolling it?
Yeah.
Is this?
Oh.
Wait.
But I don't think that's how we were. Say how you were, and then I'll just. You want to say the last line of "I'll have another baby"? Do you want to do that?
Mhm.
Okay, cool.
Is this like in character? Like, is this
Yep.
action? Okay.
Action.
Hold on. We're doing it.
A second.